Hey guys, what's going on? Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am, because I just fixed my fan. I'm proud of myself for that. There'll be a video coming out, if it's not already out, about what was involved, what you want to look for, what you want to avoid, all that kind of stuff. Hey, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Today, we're going to see what's cooking. So, let's take a look at what's cooking today. Alright, today I got this package of Jennie-O turkey tenderloins. They come from Costco. They're like $9.50 for a pound and a half. It makes a good 4 to 5 meals for me, which I really like. And here I've mixed up a whole bunch of, well, I haven't mixed them yet, but here I've got a whole bunch of seasonings. So I've got about a little over a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a little over a teaspoon of garlic powder, about 3/4 of a teaspoon of rubbed sage, rosemary. What else did I put in there? Thyme, and then salt and pepper, same thing. So I'm going to mix all my seasonings together. I'm going to pat the turkey breast dry. I'm going to put it all in a Ziploc bag, shake it up with about 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then we're going to put it in the air fryer. Let me go ahead and turn that on. And we're going to air fry for 22 minutes at 400 degrees. So we're going to let it go ahead and start because it's got to preheat. I've got my basket here ready to go. I've started throwing a piece of foil inside the basket because I can still, make the bridges. So it's getting at least mostly the air circulation. It works fine for these because I've done it before. And it's less cleanup for me, which is even better. So let me get this opened up and seasoned up and ready to go. So here we are, ready to go. We're going to go for about 22 minutes. We want an internal temperature of 165, and it took me a minute extra, so I got to change my time. There we go. So we're back up to 22 minutes now, and yeah, we're going to flip them over partway through, and that's all there is to that. It's pretty simple and pretty delicious. And you can use all kinds of different seasonings too. I've also done this in like an Asian style that was really good. Really sorry guys, I was so hungry I forgot to show you what it looked like when it was cooked. But that's what it looks like when it's cooked and sliced. And there's some on my plate. Gonna throw on some salad and sit down and eat me some dinner. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth. Live your best life. Go out and adventure in whatever way works for you.